stranger to you. So what is real? Reality means that
Literature is the mirror of the society. It helps in shaping the society. The ideas, the culture we have, the ideas we have, ethics we have, everything is reflected through the literature.
I'm Manshu Pereira. I'm 19 years old. My aim is to join defense and my hobby is to play badminton and volleyball. Today I'm standing here to deliver my topic, and my topic is that knowledge is the biggest asset that one can acquire or accumulate. So what knowledge actually is? So knowledge can be...
We all know that Ukraine was a part of the Soviet Union. After 1991, it became a separate country and it declared itself as an independent country in 24 August 1991. The interesting thing is that after becoming a separate country, the most of the Ukrainian people think that finally our country has earned the independence from the Soviet Union. They wanted to be an independent.
Knowledge is the biggest asset you can accumulate. Talking about knowledge, knowledge is like money. The more you get, the more you create. Knowledge has power. It controls access to opportunities and advancement.
And man and culture are invaluable and are the two sides of a single coin.
Knowledge is power, and knowledge empowers us to make best choice and decisions that produce a healthy, happy and a successful life to us and the people around us. It is something that cannot be taken back from you. You gain knowledge into every step of life. Being knowledge is the greatest assets in your life, and knowledge makes you happy every day. Knowledge can...
So here my topic is metaphysics. Firstly, metaphysics is that branch of philosophy which deals with the study of reality, actually beyond the reality, that what is real and if it is real, how it is real and why it is real.
You can generate an enlightened citizen. The more knowledge you gain, the more enlightened your vision became. The knowledge is power, and the knowledge empowers us to make the best decision and choices that will produce
vocational courses like stitching, gardening and carpentry. For that the student also know the practical knowledge of their work. The next 4 years are for class 9 to 12, in which the system of stream such as science, commerce, humanities are demolished and the system of semesters are introduced, and there are multiple subjects to choosing.
As we all know, before this policy, the Indian students are not be able to utilize their knowledge to a global level. With the help of this policy, the government ensured that the education of India.
My aim is to become a parent officer and to join law.
And that's how this started. And this was affecting
Talking about my topic is about the literature and society. Literature is something that is written for refreshing and inspiring our minds.
We do movements with many locals and international alternatives. This movement is against the sexual harassment with women, especially in workplace. Tarana Phulke was an American.
But on the other hand, expressing knowledge is difficult. The rich people and the biggest industries are simple because of knowledge.
You might suggest metaphysics. The name literally means after physics, which is actually quite counterintuitive considering it is not even closely related to physics. The story behind that name is actually quite interesting and quite a humorous one. So metaphysics was the branch which was
Literature generally refers to something like imagination writing, fiction writing, non-fiction, or romantic stories.
Started from 1922 to 1991. In 1991, the USSR was dissolved in many other countries, and because of some political and ethnic disintegration.
This said to be mirror of the society that can be seen in every part of the world.
In the earlier stages, literature is basic.
As we all know that the National Education Policy was announced by the central government on 29 July.
During the conflict between Taliban and Afghanistan, the president of the Afghanistan fled from the country, and several reports come out that he went to the Tajikistan, and the several countries are trying to evacuate people from the Kabul, because Kabul is the capital of the Afghanistan, which was fully surrounded.
Answering the various questions in which present and which are
Russia and Ukraine are once the part of USSR, but later in 1991, USSR conflict and Russia and Ukraine become a separate country.
It was approved by the Union Cabinet of India on 29 July 2020, outlining the India's new education policy. The new education policy was,
If a person have multiple qualifications or degrees, but if he did not able to acquire the appropriate knowledge, the degrees will be totally waste.
Or practical understanding of subject. Knowledge is needed to most valuable asset that one can acquire.
As the saying goes, the more knowledge you gain, the more enlightening your vision becomes. From this line, I would like to start my topic. Knowledge is like a glue that stick to the informed.
Russia started the attack on 24 February 2022, in which he started the attack by air missiles before attacking with troops and
National Digital Healthcare Mission was launched by our Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, in 15 August 2000.
Ukraine-Russia conflict. Since the invention of Crimea in 2014, Ukraine has been living in fear of war with Russia for 8 years, and Russia and Ukraine had odds for a long time.
Knowledge is the fact, information and skill a person can accumulate through education and experience. It can also be referred as theoretical and practical understanding of the subject. Indeed, knowledge is the best asset a person can accumulate.
Policy 2020 was approved by the cabinet. Its main aim is the measure overall of the Indian education system. It is expected that the Indian education system will be completely transformed by 2040. This policy will replace the old education policy in 1986. Now coming to some pros of these policies.
Due to that, Russia and Ukraine are contradicting each other and how they affect the Indian. And we think that whatever Indian yes, I do think that it is affecting India. It will affect India, of course, as India.
So, who was the philosopher whose ideas are currently regarded as modern metaphysics?
It was the idea of Aristotle, which was later published on after his death.
And what does metaphysics describe of existence?
No, it cannot describe the
Knowledge and likeness very much. As in today's world, knowledge is one of the main things which help us to grow and which help us to grow in the society.
Ideas and views. So what do you think about this?
Yes, I agree with you that literature is something that represents our culture, our ethics, our values, and everything. It helps us in shaping the society. It reflects all the goods and bads of the society. When it reflects the bads of the society, it makes us realize our mistakes and to rectify that. And when it tells about